This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Introduction. Pizza preparation can be one of the most daunting tasks at home. As one of the best foods for human consumption, its preparation requires great attention. The basic component in pizza making is baking flour. To add flavor, other ingredients are needed depending on what taste is required. The innards that are added to the prepared dough might include various food toppings and cheese. Stepwise explanation of preparation is vital for making pizza dough up to the baking process. Therefore, a clear exposition of a pizzeria preparation procedure should begin with the dough-making process. Preparation of mixtures to be used for pizza making. The fundamental step in pizza preparation is ensuring that one has the mixtures required for it. To prepare the first mixture, a medium bowl is needed, and a little olive oil is poured into it. Pour half a liter of warm water of about 120 degrees Celsius into the medium container, followed by 6 and 12 grams of yeast and sugar, respectively. In another larger dish, add 612 grams of wheat flour and salt in that order and then mix. Consequently, you have 2 bowls of mixtures, a medium one containing warm water, yeast, and sugar, and the larger pot holding a mixture of salt and wheat flour. Then, your objective as a pizza maker in this particular instance should be combining the 2 mixtures. In your large bowl containing the mixture of salt and wheat flour, make a well at the center of the blend using your fingertip. Gradually pour the mix from the medium bowl into the well you have just made with your fingertip. Add 360 milliliters of olive oil to the combination in the large bowl. Using a kitchen fork to pull the drier parts of the mix to the wet concoction, combine thoroughly for 5 minutes. Finally, the blend is made in readiness to be kneaded by hand. Dough making from the already prepared mixtures. Next, you aim to ensure that the blend results in a soft dough. The mixture you have at this particular time is uniformly mixed. Add a little flour to a kitchen table where you intend to knead the mush using your hands for 5 minutes. In kneading, you should use the heel of your fists to push the concoction down and forward. Turn the paste around till it is a little tacky. The resulting preparation is now to be covered for some time. As the dough has been well kneaded, preparations are made to cover it. Wash the large bowl that you had initially used in mixture preparation and dry it using a clean piece of cloth. Oil the bowl on the inner side with your olive oil. Put the kneaded mush into the dish and cover with plastic wrap on top of it. The paste should be left in a covered position for 1 to 2 hours, depending on the ambient temperatures and ingredient preparation methodologies. Eventually, you have made well-covered kneaded dough and given it time to rise and double its size due to the yeast applied. At last, the dough is made, and it is checked after every 20 minutes, within 2 hours. Poke the mush using your hands, and if indentation is left, then that shows it is ready. Once this has been ascertained, use a kitchen knife to divide it. The larger the pieces cut, the bigger the pizzas, and the smaller the slices cut, the smaller the pizzas. Nonetheless, minuscule nubs sliced are more expedient to handle, especially for domestic purposes. At this point, shape the cut bits into balls for every single pizza. Envelope them with a moistened cloth and leave them for 10 minutes. In examining whether the dough orbs are ready, you shall prod them to check for depression on them. Preparation and baking of pizza from dough balls. Lastly, pizzas are to be made from balls and baked. Clean the pizza pan before sprinkling it with semolina, which is a ready-made powder through the process of wheat milling and is usually stocked in retail shops. The additive provides a chewy, crispy taste for the pizza to be made. In order to flatten the center of the dough, pull the ends of the dough using your hands. Continue adding more semolina for efficient preparation of the pizzas, making sure that the thinness is uniform. As the unfurled dough is now flat, Spread your favorite innards on its top part and place the pizza pan with its ingredients in a baking oven for 5 minutes at those 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The pizza will be ready, and you should serve it with any drink of your taste. Conclusion: pizza making is a stepwise procedure that is easily comprehensible. 2 different mixture bowls are needed specifically for paste preparation. The mixtures are important because they are blended once again to make the paste. Later, orbs of dough are made from the mush by cutting it into required sizes. The balls are then spread uniformly in pizzeria pans, and such ingredients as minced meat, black olives, mushrooms, and pepperoni are added to the pizza before baking for 5 to 10 minutes in an oven. Inarguably, pizza making is an elaborate procedure, but it is optional to add the ingredients, which are referred to as toppings. This essay on teaching the pizza preparation process was written and submitted by a student just like you. The Ivy Panda Samples database hosts thousands of works similar to this one, on various subjects. Visit ivypanda.com to find what you are looking for.